what I wanted to say was the problem with Bathurst is it's a very small town. I think the population is under 20,000, but it's so huge, like, so everything is far from each other, you know. You have to pedal a lot or walk a lot, and it's exhausting, you know. Ouais. Ce sera pas long, là. Il y a du monde qui me check, là. J'étais encore camera shy, tu comprends. So, guy from the cheese factory just gave me cheese, and apparently it's very, very salty. So, we'll try after the little sesh. Should be good. So yeah, it's like when I see what Enox have done, I'm like, bro, there's no way I cannot just fucking get into a train and fucking leave this place. But also I want to stay here because I'm starting to enjoy it, you know. But I cannot very stay in Bathurst because I've done too much shit. So that's why you're not seeing many content from Bathurst, because I'm just exhausted, guys. This weekend to Caraquet was so exhausting too. And you come here, I'm just doing the basics. Feels very bad, guys. So now I'm just, right now it's almost 4 a.m. I don't think I'll go back to sleep. I'm up since 2. No, since 1. Then I started to smoke. And then I cannot go back to sleep. So I'll watch Enox Tag documentary and just climb Everest. Fucking Everest at 20 years old. It's fucking insane. Wow. Props to you, Enox Tag. So gros, je me suis niqué le genou là, gros, en étant fucking 5 heures de temps assis à terre. Je me suis niqué le genou, mon gars. Ouch. So now the donut guy gave me free sample, free full bag actually. So now all the trucks have pulled up, so I think it's time to go, man. I really have to stop smoking. It's crazy, bro. They have all the type of keys, but they don't have the clear bullet I want. I just need a little. I don't want to buy $200 worth of keys. I just want one small key. They don't have. I cannot find it. Here you go. Problem fixed, my friend. So I bought like this key and these Allen keys to remove my luggage rack and this fucking thing. As you heard in the previous shots, keep touching the fucking ground when I'm riding, bro. It's frustrating. But now I cannot remove it. It's simple. I cannot do it because the bolt is too rusted. It's a very old bike. But the stand seems, yeah, you see it's all rusted. I cannot do anything with it. So now I thought, Mel, what you have with you? What can you do? And I know I have duct tape, so now I will just try to duct tape here. Let's see if this works. So now I want to show you guys what one day in Bathurst looks like. Alright, I wanted to go to my usual breakfast spot on the flat part of Bathurst, which is the downtown part, but it's too far. So that's the problem with Bathurst, it's too large for the small population. So instead, I know they have pretty good pancakes at Burger King. So I want to show you guys. I honestly, I don't even know. I don't even remember what a Burger King breakfast looks like. I know it's very fat, but we'll see, we'll discover together. Because honestly, there's no other place close from here to go. So we're gonna eat that fat ass breakfast. Then we're gonna have a great day. You remember this spot, guys? I used to sleep like over there for a couple nights. Downtown is right on the other side of the trees. So we're good here. Just yo, I fell asleep in the fucking Burger King, man. I was